at Shanghai Toy Expo. I'm here with, what's your name?
Oh, my name is Amy.
Amy, nice to meet you. And Amy, could you introduce your company to us, please?
Yes, I'm from the Guangdong Xinchenyu.
Okay, and you have a factory in Guangdong itself, yes?
Yes,
Okay.
my factory name is Guangdong Xinchenyu.
Oh, okay, very interesting. And so where are the main countries that you export from this factory?
There's another factory.
Yes, so you export to South America and North America and also Europe, correct?
It's all the West country in North America.
Okay, very good. So you have America and you have Australia and you also have Eastern Asia as well.
Yes.
Okay, and so can you tell me much about the certifications that your factory has?
And the factory is
The certifications, so the ISO 1009, and you have also the ASTF, the different regulations for different countries, correct? You have all the certifications that you need. So I know everyone's very excited to hear about your products. That's what we're here for. So let's go to see about the slime one.
Oh, yes.
This is your newest slime set, I believe.
Yes.
It's called Slime Palette.
Yes.
And it comes in all these different colors and has even these sprinkles that you can add to the slime, right?
Yes, the roller slide.
Yeah,
And
so,
this slime. It's a DIY models.
yeah, so you can make many DIY things to yourself, and you can also make your own slime.
And the different color and the more and more the colors.
Yeah, it's a very exciting product, I know.
Yeah.
And so also with this product, it has different sizes. It has like a big size and you have a smaller set.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I'd also love to hear about your other products. So what's this other product you're going to show to me?
So this is the super clay manufacturing.
Yes.
Yes, the super clay. But in the super clay, the DIY, the hand spray, hand spray to finish produce is this.
Yes, like so you make with this clay, you can make all these different designs by yourself, and it's suitable for all ages, I would say, but like mainly for 3 and up, just for the thing. But this is non-toxic, I believe. It's non-toxic if you like. It's eco-friendly and it's all very well made, and it has all these very intricate designs that you can make on this wall here. You can make a cake, you make little things.
Yeah.
And okay, so these are I love these products, they're very interesting. So could you tell me where could I find more information about these products and where could I contact you?
And where is the name card?
Yes, so this is your name card. You have your email and your phone number here.
Yes, and the phone number here, and the address, and the numbers, and the company's names is here.
Thank you very much for talking to me.
Thank you, all the friends.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great to meet you.
Great to meet you too. Yes, thank you.